Did you know the forest is a hidden realm of fascinating wildlife? Join me on a journey as we uncover the secrets of the wild. In the heart of the forest, majestic deer and elusive foxes thrive in harmony. Watch as we capture these creatures in their natural habitat. Playful squirrels contribute to the forest's ecosystem by aiding in seed dispersal. Witness their adorable antics that maintain the balance of nature. Wise owls, known for their silent flight and keen senses, reveal the mysteries of these nocturnal hunters. Even in the deepest parts of the forest, life flourishes. Explore the lesser-known inhabitants, such as insects and small mammals, through captivating visuals. Let's uncover the wonders of the wild animals that call the forest their home.